Hello, in front of me I have OPPO A33 2020 and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. First, let's open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen. Oh, my bad. Swipe down from the top of the screen twice, like this. And here we have screen recording icon. Tap on it. You will be asked for some permissions. I already allowed them because I opened this up before, but if you're asked for permissions, just allow them, then tap agree. And this little menu will appear on your screen. Here we have record button, settings icon, and the exit button. If you want to start the recording, simply tap on the record button. It's gonna start the recording. As you can see now, you can this menu will become semi-transparent. You need to tap on it to make it visible again. And here we have stop button and pause button, and also settings. If you want to pause the recording, simply tap on pause button. To resume it, tap on play, like this. And if you want to stop the recording, simply tap on stop, like that. It will say that the recording was saved. You can tap on it right here to view it. You can also tap on the settings icon in that menu. So let's open the recording screen again. And here we have that settings icon. Let's tap on it. And right here we can enable few options like record system sounds, record microphone sounds, and you can enable them and disable them by tapping on the slider like that. And you can also tap on more settings. This will bring you to screen recording settings. And here we have few more options. First, we have sound category, and we can enable the record system sounds and microphone sounds like this, like before. Below we have display, and here we can select video resolution. Oh, my bad, video resolution. And we can select between medium, low, and custom. If you select custom, you can basically set the resolution and bitrate right here. Why can't I change the resolution for some reason? Oh, because it only has two stages for 480p and 720p, like this. Okay. Once you're done selecting your resolution, you can also enable and disable the front camera, like this. And at the bottom we have show screen touches, and we can also enable and disable this option. Okay. You can also open the settings by opening the quick panel and pressing and holding on the screen recording icon, like this. And to exit this menu, simply tap on the X button like that to exit the recording mode. And that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.